Niti. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a morning routine vlog. I'm going to be sharing you a ritual that I do, and this is just feeding me, it's just feeding my soul. It is picking up oracle cards and connecting with the universe, and sometimes I feel like it aligns so much with my life or what I'm going through, and I take it to set my intentions, and I'm going to show you. It is fascinating. Yeah, there are like 52 cards in it, and you just like connect with the universe and pick out a card, and then this book kind of explains you what you just picked out. Also, I'm still using my Christmas cup. Look at this. This is like hand painted. I can't just put it away yet because I've not even had 20 days with it, so I'm gonna use it until I get really bored. Yeah, so I'm gonna go out and sit on the balcony at the moment, and I'm gonna be doing my ritual of oracle card reading. I'm gonna be finishing my coffee over there, gonna get some vitamin D. Let's do it. This is what I picked out. It is the Lakshmi, the abundance. So I've turned my page into this one, and it's just going to give me this insight and guidance. So Lakshmi is a goddess of abundance, and it says that if you kind of like suffer from scarcity consciousness, the belief that you are neither good enough nor have enough, it is time to treasure your inner assets. Abundance is the realization that what you have is enough, rather than obsessing on attracting more for yourself. Wow. Think about what you can liberally give away: attention, support, goodwill, love. Make it your aim to give more than you take, and know that what is yours will come. You can also take it as your guidance for today if you're with me. So this is my card reading, and I'm going to go with this. So today, whatever I act in, it will be an act of abundance, I guess. Also, I have like an urge to bake some chocolate muffins so much because I kind of like want to drink it with my tea. Stick around with me for that. Before we work out, look at this. This is actually like a chair that goes with that dressing table, and I just kind of like put it here and put all my books in there. I don't know how it looks. I feel like it is really cute, and I've got this like pot of plants here, and all my books are here. Just trying to be creative. Alrighty, I am showered, dressed. I kind of enjoy mixing my bronzer with this sunscreen. It is by Drunk Elephant. It's called the Deep Bronzy Anti-Pollution Drops, and I feel like it is kind of helping my skin. My skin is looking fresher these days, and I don't know if it's because of this, but I'm really enjoying it. So I'm putting like a few drops like that. Waiting for Nadia to get back from school. I really want to bake for her. She loves it when she comes back from school, and I have like cupcakes and all for her. So that's exactly what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to go on with this Nude Stakes blush on. It's called Sweet Peach Peony. It gives such a like beautiful glow even without a highlighter. I'm going to be doing Charlotte Tilbury lip liner. I think it's called Gossip, and I love it. This is Olaplex number 6. I've used it for years. I just like dig in through, take a little bit, and just put it all on my hair before I kind of like style it. Alright, I am done with just blow drying my hair. What I'm going to do is just spray this heat protectant, because I'm going to go with one more layer of like straightening it and then curling it. I am done. I've even managed to cut out some of my bangs. I'm just going to add on some of my Gizu hair oil. So we are going to be baking chocolate chip cookies together. Nadia is going to be back from school in 2 hours, so that's what I'm going to give her. And it is so freaking yummy. So let's get started. This is the one that I'm going to be making, but I'm going to add more of the chocolate chip.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, and it's just begun, as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night.
Oh my god, I can't hold it. I've already eaten. I didn't even wait for my tea. It is so crusty from the outside and the inside is like so soft with pieces of chocolate. I am going to be ending my vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you stayed till the end, make sure to subscribe. See you again very, very soon. Bye.